Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you why did I purchase this Onida AC, which is 2025 model and 1.5 ton and 5-star split inverter AC, this one. And I got this for 29,000 with the card offer of SBI credit card. So one of my friend has this, so I applied that, and the final price is something like 28,990, and it is without installation, and for installation it is 1600 rupees. Actually there are two choices for me to purchase an AC. So this is the another choice, means when I am searching to buy AC on the Flipkart, I saw Godrej and also this Onida. And Godrej, it is not deliverable to my pin code. Actually this has 3000 off if you apply this HDFC credit card, but unfortunately to my pin code, to my area location, there is no shipping of this product. So obviously I went to the other choice, which is Onida. And when I saw this got decently good ratings, 4.2, and previously in maybe like 15 to 20 years back, one of our relatives used to use this Onida TV, not the AC. Okay, so the brand is okay, according to the good impression on the brand, we purchased. And this is for one of our relative. The main motive or the main requirement to buy this air conditioner is for just 2 months only, for this summer only. They purchased this. In other days after the summer, anyway they won't be using this AC, just for 2 months. So within the budget, actually the user budget is something like 25,000 to 30,000, but we want somewhat good AC in this range. So within 28 or 29,000, we felt this would be one of the good choice. So we have purchased this, and there are other options also. 1.5 3-star is 28,000 actually, maybe. Then also you may have this card options available. But yeah, maybe on which date? On April 6th, and installation would be from April 11th. So once the installation is completely done, maybe I can upload a video on unboxing and working of this Onida 2025 model 1.5 ton split inverter 5-in-1 convertible AC. Means we have the remote and we have the options to convert, means whether to work this AC in the 100%, 80%, 60% or 40% according to our wish. Okay, and once I receive that, once the installation is completed, what will I do is I'll upload a video, and I'll be dropping this in the description of this video and also in the first comment. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you may ask. And this got 1 year warranty on the product, 5-year warranty on the PCB, and 10-year warranty on the compressor.